Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepika S., Assistant Professor, Department of Kriya Sharira at SDMCAH Hassan, Karnataka. So in this video, I am going to present an important concept of Ayurveda, that is physiology of Swapna. We are going to understand this concept with the help of background of the study, derivation and the definition of the term Swapna, Swapnotpatti, that is manifestation of Swapna, types of Swapna, and importance of Swapna in Ayurveda. At the end of this video, one can understand the physiological concept regarding the dreams along with its types and importance in Ayurveda. Dreams is a unique quality and one of the basic instinct of human life. Upanishad spoke about 4 states of Atma. They are Jagratavastha, Swapnavastha, Sushuptavastha and Turyagavastha. Swapnavastha is one among the mental state, indicating a dreaming state. Nidra is one among the Trayopastambha, and Swapna is an important part of this Nidra. Swapna is seen between Jagratavastha and Sushuptavastha due to the dominancy of Rajoguna. Next we will see the derivation of the term Swapna. So the word Swapna is derived from the word Swaponan. Swapa means a sleepy state or inactive state. The experience felt during a sleepy state is called as Swapna. Dallana defined Swapna as Nidropaplutena Tandrayuktena Vanasa Vishayagrahanam Swapnaha. So it is a condition when mind is not in a complete sleeping state and activities of Indriya remain ceased, but mind remain active due to its impressions and desires. Next we will see the manifestation of Swapna. Charaka explains as Manovahanam Purnatvat Doshaihi Atibalaihi Stribihi Srotasam Darunan Swapnan Kale Pashyati Darune. Doshas obstruct Manovaha Srotas, and this manas loses its Indriyartha Sannikarsha, means loses its relation with its Indriya and bonds with Atma, and lead to a state called as Swapna. Nati Prasuptaha Purushaha Safalan Afalanstata Indriyeshena Manasa Swapnan. Person who is not in a deep sleep, when Manas tries to have a contact with Indriya, he will see 2 kinds of Swapna, that is Safala Swapna and Afala Swapna. Safala Swapna which gives result, whereas Afala Swapna which will not give results. Shishruta explains Swapnotpatti as Purvadehanu Bhutatma Swapataha Prabhuhu Rajoyuktena Manasa Grinhyati Arthan Shubhan Ashubhan. When slept person gain his past experience due to Rajoguna of Manas is called as Swapna. Next we will see the types of Swapna. Drishtam Shrutanu Bhutam Cha Pratitam Kalpitam Tata Bhavikam Doshajam Chaiva Swapnan Saptavidam Viduhu. Drishta Swapna, they are the visual experiences perceived in the dreams. Shruta Swapna, dreams based on auditory perception. Anubhuta Swapna, dreams based on experiences of individuals. Prarthita Swapna, dreams based on one's own desire or interest. Kalpita Swapna, they are imaginary dream. Bhavika Swapna, indicating future, it may be good or bad. Doshaja Swapna, due to the dominancy of Tridoshas. Next we will see what is the importance of Swapna in Ayurveda. Swapna has been mentioned under Purarupa, Rupa and Arishtalakshana. So specific dreams helpful in indicating the forthcoming diseases as well as the prognosis of diseases. And dreams also helpful in determination of Doshaja Prakriti. Example, if person belongs to Vata Prakriti, he may experience as a dream flying on the sky. If person belongs to Pittaja Prakriti, the fire related dreams he may experiences. And if individual belongs to Kaphaja Prakriti, he may experience a dream regarding water or water reservoir. So we can conclude, Swapna is an important part of Nidra. It refers to an experience felt during sleepy state. It is of 7 kinds like Drishta, Shruta, Anubhuta, Prarthita, Kalpita, Bhavika and Doshaja. And dreams are important for determination of the Prakriti, identifying a disease as well as for prognosis of diseases. For detailed study, one can refer Charaka Samhita Indriyasthana, Shushruta Samhita Sharirasthana, and Ashtanga Sangraha and Hridaya. Thank you all for watching. Kindly give your feedback.